What's up, traders? It's your boy Nasdaq Soldier, back to record another day of trading. I'm gonna try to make today better than yesterday. Right now, we do got some support and resistance areas. This one match up. Yeah, that one match up with this over here. These basically the same support and resistance areas we had marked up yesterday. I don't see nothing wrong with keeping those. But right now it's 8:41. The market just opened 11 minutes ago, so but yeah, just like yesterday, we're gonna chill out and we're gonna wait. It's like this a setup for buys. You know, this white candle pushing up past that black one right there. But because of the volume around this time, I figured we should just wait. Alright, we getting a sell set up. On the 5 minute, you can see looking pretty bearish. The black trying to push down below this white one. Looking pretty bearish, like it's wanting to roll over. You know, we got this support down here, but they trying to sell in the moment. We can mark it up and see what we looking at. It's looking crazy, looking like it just want to fall off a cliff, you know. Look at that, 9 o'clock. Wonder if that was like some news or something. See, normally, I'm trying to think, like, I wonder if I should chill out and wait until like 10 o'clock, because it do be news and stuff. Like, that's probably not a news candle, but at 9 o'clock it usually be some kind of news or something. 8:45, 9 o'clock. So it still kind of feel like I'm on the charts a little early. It's like I'm trying to get used to doing the same thing over and over, so I should be like probably no trades until after 9:30, because I always catch myself getting closer and closer to the open. Alright, y'all, it's still early, 9:16. It's giving somewhat of a sales setup right now. And it's looking like it want to break this support. You know, didn't want to go up, didn't want to go up. And now they selling down. Not looking too bad to take a sell if it come back up. Okay, this hindsight after the fact of a setup. I think I did have this setup, but once it pushed back up, I had took it off. See, there's black going below that white right there. I had that set up, but you know, it was kind of early, like 9:05, and when that next candle had pushed back up there, right here, I had just marked it off, you know, because I was like, man, it's too early. But the whole time, they respected this area this whole time. It just respected it. Could have drew a trend line right there, and bow. That could have been an entry right there. So I need to start paying attention to something like that. But at the same time, I still ain't like the time. But future reference, I need to pay attention to that. So we don't got no setup on the 5 minute. We needed to push up right quick. Yeah, that's what we needed right there. Stay right there. Wow. It stayed. So in this situation, with it staying like that, mark this up. See, it's getting ready to give us a setup right here. It's already in it. It's already in it. Let's mark it up. If it was to take this for that rollover, stop will be above there. Got this demand down here. It's right here. Got the demand down there. We get in right here. Got a break above there. Should we try it? Going with the trend. Let's get it up to this area and give a reaction. Let's get a reaction off that area. Uh-oh. Almost. Is it gonna do it? Okay, that's it. That's it. Let's see. Could we go for a 1 to 2? Break them lows. Okay. It went to 70. See if we can get it to make new lows. See if we can get a 1 to 2 out of it. It don't react off this demand and push back up. Oh, I ain't mean to grab that. I'm trying to grab this. Let's see what that look like. Man, if it could break this demand, dang, it keep reacting off of it. Oh, that's a 1 to 4. 1 to 2 would be right here. Oh man, there go that demand. It reacted off that demand. That's what we didn't want to see, it react off that demand. Sellers can't come in. Yeah. God dog it. I gotta stop trying to close the trade though. Dang. They reacted off that demand. And pushed up. Dang. I can't say that was a tricky trade. We got what we wanted to see. And it's in a downtrend, so that wasn't bad. Alright, we never got a sell set up, but we getting a buy set up as if buyers want to step back in. Only thing about it is that this resistance so with it being at this resistance, it could reject. Look, it's pushing down. It's trying to give us a sell setup, potentially at a double top resistance. So we're gonna have to be extremely careful right here. Alright, this the sell setup. It's giving the sell setup. And now that it broke out, this right here is the area for sellers to come back in. We do have this demand for buyers to take it back up. Let's map out the buy. Stop will be below there. We don't get in off wicks. We need a strong candle to get in on to take it up. Look at that push. Look at that push. Should we take it? Go with the trend? Fuck it, we'll go with it. We'll go with it. Hopefully it just don't reject this area strong. And look at that. It's rejecting it. Come on, let's break up out of here, man. Let's keep it going. We're getting a breakout. That's a 1-to-1 right there. Is that a 1-to-1? But could we get a continuation for a 1-to-2? Ooh, that's a good push. Come on, go ahead and get us out of here. Go ahead and push, bro. Go ahead and push, bro. We sold down all overnight. Let's get a good push out of here. Okay. We right there. We right there. Just a little bit more. 5 more points. All right. We went with the trend. We had our setup. We got it. Got the 1-to-2 right there. Look, that more look like it's trying to go too. I should have targeted this area. I should have. Because it was a breakout. Could have got a 1 to 3 on that one. So we essentially break even. Took that loss and then got that win. But dang, if we could have capitalized on this one, we'll be up. Because it was a breakout. We could have put it up a little bit, but it ain't no biggie. 10:47. Let me see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be back. This is a potential sale setup I had marked up. Do I want to take it? I kind of do. We already took 2 trades today. I ain't gonna lie, I was itching to take this. Definitely itching to take this. It was a sell setup. That resistance is not the previous day low, but the day before that. That's that low, and it reacted off of it. Sold down. Didn't make a new high, sold down, made a new low. Came up, retested this to potentially go lower. But I don't know, Trump speaking right now and everything. It is in the uptrend. So it's like I'm tempted. It's like I already took 2 trades today. And I might just need to come back fresh. It's gone. It was a setup. I'll go to the 5-minute and show y'all. Yeah, see, this black went below that white. So I had it marked up like this. It went below it, and then I marked my furthest area on the 1 minute. That was my furthest area on the 1 minute. Once it broke out, it reacted, broke the trend line, and yeah, it was a setup. Look like it's gonna play out. The 1-to-1 definitely in. That's the 1-to-1 right there. Potentially gonna make it to a 1-to-2. But yeah, I'm really in a chill, mellow mood. So shit, I'm probably finna call it. And just come back tomorrow. 11:23. I gotta be done by 12 o'clock. Anyway, cause that's my time to stop trading. So yeah, it was on a downtrend. We had got this first setup for sellers right here, and it held up this area and sold down, but we felt like it was too early, so we stopped paying attention. Then we got this setup down here. Black went below the white, looking for the continuation of the downtrend. The rollover continuation. But it had this demand set up to the white pushing out, and at that black, our furthest level was right there. It reacted off that demand and pushed up. So we don't try to predict reversals. We try to keep going with the trend. So that's what we was trying to do right there, and it just didn't work out. Okay, then back though, we ended up getting this buy set up right here. See this white pushing above this black. We put our furthest level, it tapped it, it gave a reaction, and we was able to get that 1-to-2 to break even for the day. Okay, and then again, we got a sell set up, but it's not going with the trend. So that's why I take some sell setups that's counter trend, because if it's my setup, is that a resistance, like this one played out for a 1-to-1. It played out for a 1-to-1. Um, so yeah, that's the trades for the day. We took two, we broke even, and shit, we just gonna call it right there. Uh, I ain't finna overtrade or nothing. Try to make my money from yesterday or nothing like that. Like, we got our opportunities today to try to make our money back, and this is what the market gave us. This is what we was presented, and that's all we can do is go off what we presented and move on to the next day. So yeah, I've been on the charts long enough today, and I'm gonna go ahead and call it. So yeah, Nasdaq Soldier. I'm out.